In this video guide, you will learn how to send PPT file to Messenger, okay, which stands for PowerPoint. We discuss three approaches here. One is how to send the file from PC via the web. Two is how to send that from an iPhone to Messenger. And the next, which is the third option, is how to send your PowerPoint file from an Android smartphone to Messenger. So in all these three, your device will fall into one category. Let's get straight into it. First, let me walk you through on how you can share the PPT file using your PC, okay? So here, this is the PowerPoint, and I have already prepared my slides. So now let's save it in this my PC. So follow along if you want to share the file from your PC to Messenger. Don't worry, we are going to cover that of Android and iPhone as well, okay? Everything will be complete. So click on File, select Save As, select Browse. I want to save this in the Documents folder. So by this size, select Documents here. Then I can give this a name, Student Seminar Real. Okay, let me call it that. Then click on Save. Now we can close this because we have now saved this file. So let's head to our browser. So I'll be using Google Chrome. You can use any browser you have installed on your PC, okay? Then I'll visit facebook.com. On this Facebook homepage, look at Messenger here. So click on it. Then you can see all the contacts here. So let's assume I want to send to this user. I'll click on his on her name. It opens this page. Now let's take the step and send this. So click on this attach a file icon. Okay, you can see where my cursor is. This automatically opens the file explorer of my PC. Okay, so let me navigate to the documents folder and then get to the file. What did we call that? Student seminar. Okay, so I'll click on one of the file, press S on my keyboard. Okay, look at the student seminar. So now we click on, then I'll click on open. So wait for it to load, and after that, click on send. Okay, now this user will get this file, this PowerPoint file in her inbox, okay, in her own Messenger app. So she will open it and then view the content. Now let me walk you through on how you can send this PPT file using the iPhone, okay, the Messenger for iPhone, okay. So let's get straight into that. I am on my iPhone screen right now, so let's go on and share the file. Get to the Files app of your iPhone, okay? Ensure that the PowerPoint file you want to send to a messenger user is saved there, okay? So I will tap on Files. Now this takes me to on my iPhone location because the PPT file I want to send through Messenger is saved here, okay? Then I will get to the file. Look at the one named Beauty of Tech. That is what I want to send. So I will long press on it. You will see some options when you long press on the file. Select the share option, okay? Then this will display some applications on your iPhone that can share files. Please ensure you have already installed Messenger on your iPhone, alright? Then if we swipe by this way, you can see one of the options here is Messenger. So tap on it. Then this displays some contacts that are available on Messenger app. Okay. Then scroll to the person you want to send the file to, or tap in the search area and type the name of the person. It will pop up. So tap on the name. Then tap on the send button at the top right. And with this, the PowerPoint file is sent to the contact. So let's go and confirm. I'll open my messenger and then tap on this. You can see the file here, the Beauty of Tech. is now sent to the person. So let's get to our Android smartphone and see how we can send PowerPoint file from our Android to Messenger. Okay, I am on my Android smartphone home screen. Okay, so be on your Android smartphone home screen. If you want to share the PPT file through an Android smartphone, okay, then swipe up to access the apps that are there. Then locate Files Manager. It may vary depending on the manufacturer of your Android phone. It can be just files, it can be File Manager, it can be anything. So tap on the app. As you tap on the application, you may see some recent files you access on your phone, okay? That's why you have the recent tab selected. But tap on browse, okay? Then this shows you some locations. Okay, you have images which contains images, photos, pictures, documents contain documents, audio, video. So you know a folder where you saved that particular PowerPoint file that is in your phone. Are you getting it? So there are locations here. You can see my phone, you can see favorites, you can see the recently deleted. So let's go with my phone option. Then select internal storage. Then I saved the PowerPoint file I want to share in the downloads folder. So tap on download, okay? Now get to the file. You can see this file with the title lentech.pptx is what I want to share. So long press on the file. After you long press on the file, you will see some icons at the bottom part. Select the share option, okay? Then this lists some apps that are installed on your Android smartphone that can share files, okay? Then Messenger is what we want to use, so tap on Messenger chats, okay? Then this takes you to Messenger immediately, displaying some users there. You can see some users on my list, okay? You can search, you can tap the search option and then type the name of the person you want to send the file to and select it. But here, I have already know who I want to save to. That is the one that appears first in the contact. So tap on send. And with this, the PPT file is sent to the person through an Android. So whichever method, whichever device you want to use, you get the result at the end of the whole thing, okay? I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel so that you learn more on technology. Here we discuss tech and many things in our world of today revolve around technology. So gain as much as you can to grow in the world of tech. Okay? Leave a comment in the comment section so that this video will be ranked and also share it with your friends. Okay? Hit that like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people who search for it and help me grow this channel. So learn how to share another 5 type differently. Watch this video. Thank you and see you some other time. Peace.